Imagine reading your favorite comic. You flip the page, the villain is cornered, the hero leaps, and then freezes completely. Nothing happens. Writing sentences without clear actions does the same thing to your reader. It leaves them waiting for the story to move. To build a sentence that moves, you only need to identify two pieces, and it begins with the hero of your story. We call this hero the subject, the person, animal, or thing doing the action. Picture this hero glowing bright blue. Next, they need a superpower. We call this the verb, the action they take. Picture this action glowing bright green. Seeing this hero and their power working together is how we understand the way language is constructed. This gives us a reliable rule. A subject plus a verb equals a clause. Let's look at a short example. Sarah smiled. Sarah is our subject, doing the action. Smiled is our verb. Together, they form a clause. Or take this one. The bird sings. The bird is the subject, and singing is the verb. Find that blue who and that green action, and you have a clause. These are the building blocks for every story you tell. But some groups of words are missing a piece. We call these phrases. A phrase is like a vehicle missing its engine. It might look like it belongs, but it can't go anywhere on its own. Consider the words in the garden. We know where we are, but not who is there or what they are doing. Watch what happens when we add the missing engine. Ali sat in the garden. Now the thought is complete. It's the same with great excitement. That is just a phrase. But when we say Hamza spoke with great excitement, our subject and verb lock into place to create a clause. You can use this as a quick test. Whenever you see a group of words, ask, can I find a subject and an action? If the answer is yes, it's a clause. If not, it's a phrase. Phrases add great detail to a sentence, but they need the engine of a clause to move a story forward. Even when a group of words passes that test, clauses come in two different flavors. The first flavor is an independent clause. These make complete sense all on their own as a full sentence. Take this for example. The baby cried. We have a subject and a verb, and we have a complete thought. And the second flavor is a cliffhanger. These still have a subject and a verb, but they start with words that leave you waiting for more information. Just listen to how this sounds. Because the baby cried. We're left wondering what happened next. The thought isn't finished. Both of these have a subject and a verb, but only the independent flavor has the power to stand alone as a complete sentence. Now that you know what to look for, let's put your quick test to work. Take a look at this first group of words, in the morning, and the second, Sarah finished her essay. Pause the video here. Look for a subject and a verb in each and decide if they are phrases or clauses. Come back when ready. Let's see what you found. In the morning is a phrase. It tells us when, but there is no subject or verb doing an action. The second one, Sarah finished her essay, is a clause. It has a subject, Sarah, and an action, finished. To recap, if it has a subject and a verb, it's a clause. If it's missing those pieces, it's a phrase. Recognizing these building blocks is a major step toward writing clearer, better sentences. In Part 2, we'll see what happens when we start combining these different types of clauses together. I'll see you there.